Hey guys, toxins are harmful substances that are derived from food, water, cleaning products, preservatives in packed foods and other environmental sources and enter our body through indigestion, inhalation and absorption. And also internally, auto-intoxication is a process where toxins are produced by our own body as a result of poor digestion and elimination, like mucus, which is a good example. Now, accumulation of these toxins become poisonous in our body and may damage the vital organs and spoil the proper functioning of the body and also the body system. The toxins that the body is unable to eliminate and usually stored in fat tissues, bone, blood, and may show some side effects. And some side effects like skin problems, which are rashes, acne, eczema. These are some of the things due to toxin. Constipation, diarrhea and digestive problems may arise, and frequent cold and cough, like cold and viruses may attack your body. Unexplained headaches can be there. Lower back pain is also a problem due to this. General aches and joint pains, fatigue and low energy. In some people this is also found, and inability to feel rested after sleeping, also inability to lose weight, and also swelling under knees are some of the major examples. One of the major, like if you are feeling something, like if you are fuzzy thinking and you are in depression, this is just because of the toxins too. Hormone imbalances due to use of plastic utensils, which is the main cause. You can watch my video on the utensils. I'll put that in the I button. Tumors and even cancers are a big problem due to toxins. So according to Ayurveda, we have learned to detoxify our body time to time and save our life from health issues. So according to Ayurveda, the best natural easy way to detoxify in this world, and which is scientifically proven, is add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, which is jeera powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds powder, which is dhania, in a glass of water. You have to take this in a glass of water. After 12 hours, filter the mixture and consume it sip by sip after 12 hours. Repeat this after every 12 hours for a couple of weeks. You will find miraculous benefits of it. And if you find excess of mucus in stomach, then add a pinch of ginger powder to the mixture. It will be sorted. These herbs are well described in the Ayurvedic text. You can check those texts. And also this combination must be good for a healthy person for once a week for a healthy life. Please consult Ayurveda for more details. I hope you all like this video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a video. This is Varun, Lilani signing off.